Okay, Q3, P1, 2022. So it says that using the parametric curve, x equals to 1 over 2 e 3t plus 2e minus 3t, and y equals to 1 over 2 e 3t plus, minus 2 equals to 3t minus 2. This is the parametric curve y and x. So ask us to find the gradient of the normal to the curve at t equals to 1 over 3 ln 2. So how do we do that? The normal to the curve. The normal to the curve is that normal to the curve is equals to what? Is equals to minus 1 divided by dy dx, which is also equals to minus dx dy. Agree? You learn about O-level math. M1 times M2 equals to minus 1, then these two are perpendicular. Okay, perpendicular. So this is the one that we're going to find out, that minus dx dy. So how do we do that? Dx dy by chain rule is also equal to dx dt times dt dy. With minus sign with a minus sign here. Okay, so it's also equals to minus dx dt times 1 over dy dt. Correct? So your x is how much? Your x is halved e 3t plus 2e minus 3t, the power of e minus 3t, divided by d dt 1 over 2 e 3t minus 2e3 minus 3t. Correct? So with the person who don't calculate very much here is that we know that this is a constant, we can cancel it off. Right, these look identical. Later there are something as well. This is 3, this is 3. Actually, we cancel it off as well, but not at the moment. So there's a minus here. So we know that this is become 3 e 3t plus or minus 6 e 3t. Because it's 2, actually 3 t's, you can do that. So because it's a plus here, you differentiate this thing become 3 minus. So you need to revise your O-level math A math. So this minus 2e minus 3t minus minus plus. Okay, so in fact 3 and 6 they have common factors here. Just now I told you already. So there's a minus here, so minus e 3t minus e minus 3t power minus 3t e 3t plus e to power of minus 3t. In fact, I can further make it become go and do yourself. How do I do that? Okay, so now I'm not a very hardworking person, so I would like to do that. So you see t equals to 1 over 3 ln 2. So which also equals to what? So E6t is equals to E6 times 1 over 3 ln 2. So 6 and 3 can be, 6 can be divided by 3, so it's 2. So 2 you sum into E become ln 4. We know that E ln x is x. This is the inverse function and function itself. So this become 4. So the gradient, what we are looking at is what? 4 plus 1 and 4 minus 1. Is it 4 plus 1, 4 minus? Oh, I'm sorry, I'm very careless. It's minus. Sometimes I make this careless mistake. Don't follow my footstep. Huh? So this is 3 and 5. Got it? Uh-oh. No, I got it wrong. So this is 2. I forgot a 2 here. I'm so sorry. So just now I must Alex, see? 2 here. So then this is a 2 here. So this is 2. This is 2. So this become 2 and this is 6. This become 1/3. So yeah, bingo, I got the answer. Okay, so this is 1. So the negative gradient is minus 1/3 because I forgot the minus as well. Oh, so you look at these things, minus 1/3. That give you 3 marks here. Okay, so the second part of the questions B here. So the questions B here asks us to considering xy square and y square, x square and y square, finding the Cartesian equation, which means that we need to eliminate t. So how do we do that? We need to, they ask us to square it, we square it first. Why we square it? Because ultimately we're going to get the same answer. When we square it, we know that this becomes E6t plus 4, because E3t times E3 minus t is 1, and plus nothing. So y squared become 1/4 E6t minus 4. So look at this, we have common E6t here. What do we have? If we plus it together. Oh, we still have another term. Plus 2e minus 6t, and this is plus 2e minus 6t. Okay, so this 6 minus e minus 6t, e6t and e minus 6t, these are the common term. So we can just minus off each other. Okay, so it become 4 minus 4 become 8. So this is 2. Alright. So now they ask us to find any restrictions on the value of x. Any restrictions on the value of x. We all know that x had to be bigger than 0 because x is equal to 1/2 e3t plus 2e3 minus t. We know that this has to be done in that manner. But from here, we will further know that x squared equals to y squared plus 2. So if y squared plus 2 in this form, which means that y squared is always bigger than 0, so x squared should be always bigger than 2. That means that x has to be always bigger than square root 2, because x equals to 1/2. Okay, e3t, this bigger than 0 already, so there's no x lower than minus 2. This is not applicable. Rejected. Okay, got it? Thank you.